Nowadays, AI topic is trending in all over the world. In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you make your own AI application and how can you monetize your AI application with AdMob. You can earn lots of money using your application. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you can go on App Creator 24 platform. Guys, this is a great platform to make application. You can make gaming application, chat application, videos, music. You can make different kinds of application using this platform. Here you can see this platform gets more than 5 million daily users. This is a great and popular platform. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can type here your name, you can select your country, you can type your email address and password, and you will have to accept its terms and conditions, and at last you can click on send button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type your app name. Guys, I'm going to create AI application. Now you can select your app icon. You can click on choose from gallery button. You can select here any of this app icon. I'm going to select here this app icon. Now select your language. Type your app description. You can type here this kind of description. Now you can click on next button. Now select this option. You can type your title. Now I'm going to type your URL. You can open new tab and search your black box AI. Click here to open this URL. Now you can copy this URL. Go on App Creator 24 platform and paste here that URL. Now click on next button. Click on go to app manager button. Now in next step, I'm going to monetize this application. You can go on Google AdMob platform. Guys, this is a great platform to monetize your application. You can run Google Ads on your application. When someone will click on your Google Ads, then you will earn money. Let me show you how much money you can earn. You can select your region. Now you can select your device. You can select your category. Now you can click on calculate button. Here you can see if you will get 50,000 monthly active users on your application, then you will earn $1,427 per month. You can earn lots of money with AdMob platform. AdMob is a Google's product. It's 100% trusted. You can simply click on sign up button. You can create AdMob account using your email address. After creating AdMob account, you can click on apps button. Now you can click on add app button. You can select your Android platform. Now you can select here no option. Now you can click on continue button. You can type your app name. Now you can click on add app button. In next step, you can click on add ad unit button. Guys, you can create banner ads, interstitial ads, rewarded interstitial, rewarded ads, and native ads. You can simply click on select button. Now you can type your unit name. You can click on create ad unit button. Here you can see I have created banner ad unit ID, interstitial ad unit ID, native ads, and rewarded ad unit ID. Similarly, you can create this kind of ad unit ID. You can click here to copy this ad unit ID. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can click on ads button. Here you can see banner ads option. Here you can see interstitial ads. Here you can see native ads. And here you can see rewarded video ads. You can paste your banner ad unit ID of AdMob. Similarly, you can paste your interstitial ad unit ID of AdMob. You can paste your rewarded video ads unit ID, and then you can click on save button. In next step, you can click on general info button. Now you can click on name and icon button. Scroll down, you will have to paste your AdMob app ID. You can go on AdMob and you can click on app settings button. Here you can see app ID option. Here you can see app ID. You can click here to copy this app ID. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. Scroll down, you can paste your app ID. Now you can click on save button. In next step, you can click on download app button. You can click on download button to download this application. You can install this application on your Android device. Your AI application will look like this. Here is showing banner ads. When someone will click on this advertisement, then you will earn money. You can earn up to $5 per click. Guys, using this method, you can earn lots of money. If you want to learn more about AdMob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.